plastic. I guess I might as well get her cracking. All right, we're in here. We got the market cracking. Okay, first things first. What's up, everybody? Although this is live, so like I'm recording it, like it's like pre-recorded. Let's see. All right, so I just want to check out the news, see what's up. Okay, let's do Trump schedule. Let's start here. February 16th. So it doesn't look like Trump will be talking anytime soon because today's the 13th, 15th, 14th. Oh, never mind. Friday, he does speak. Okay. What time? What time? Time doesn't really say. We don't have a time. So it's before 9 a.m. The president and first lady depart. Oh, okay, so they're flying. Travel pool. Okay. Alright, so it doesn't look like Trump will be speaking today, so that doesn't really apply to us. When it comes to the news, most of the news took place already. We had CPI, Consumer Price Index, month over month, year over year, core CPI, Consumer Price Index. The core didn't change. Yeah, but the month over month changed. That's kind of normal. Year over year, that's not normal. So this just means less people have bought products year over year. But the core, I don't know what the core is. Let's learn. Let's learn what the core is and why is it different. Consumer Price Index. Change in price of goods and services purchased by consumers, excluding food and energy. Okay, food and energy, that's a lot. Food is a lot of it, ain't it? I believe so. Okay. Anyways, alright, so a lot has taken place. Now I'm just gonna check out what the market looks like. We're gonna go from 4 hours. Okay, it looks like we've hit the previous support I created, and now we're selling off from there. Very interesting. On the 4 hour, it looks like we're breaking below. I probably won't trade. No, not probably. I won't trade until after 9, like 9:30. So yeah, so we could see the next hour candle to push back up into the 25,000, because this looks like a straight up sell-off. Let's see, what is it looking like on the hourly? Let me create another support area. Just Just a reminder. But yeah, okay, so on the hourly, let's zoom in. We're selling off, or it's bearish as it gets. So but we were consolidating overnight, so take it all with a grain of salt. Okay. Joint is just selling off. Okay, on the 15, we're about to retest this pivot point down here. So yeah, we're just kind of letting it cook, you know, letting it set up its range. So when it comes to news, it's not good or bad. It just is. Nothing significant with Trump, so yeah, we just wait. All right, so don't mind me if I'm looking over here. It's because I have a desktop with a charts on it, so I'm gonna be looking at that. Yeah. Oh, this joint is just selling off. It is selling. Yeah, hourly, it's selling off. I mean, shoot, that was a good setup, but okay, let's zoom out and see what's up. This is a previous support area. Looks like we could be going down to this VWAP. This VWAP right here. This VWAP right here. Actually, let's go with this one. Okay. Well, sometimes I'm like, oh, I don't know why I do that, but yeah, this VWAP is looking like a area of retest. You know what I mean? So we're gonna wait. Ooh, look at that. On the 2 minute, it pushed right back up. Pushed really high. I mean, I would have, if I was risk seeking, I'd probably take this trade right here to the upside to up here, but I'm not. I am not risk seeking. Yeah, it's created the support. All right, on a 15, it's pushing back up. Grabbed all that liquidity down there. Let's see what it looks like on zooming out, you know. What in there? I was about to say. Okay. New 15. We're cracking. I don't know. That's concerning. It's a bit of a mess in there. I don't know. Yeah. Okay, let me create my opening 15-minute range. Oh, brilliant. It's like it's taking so long. Okay, something like that. That's our 15-minute range. That's crazy, bro. That's what? 300, 250 point move. Absolutely insane. Okay. 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 There's a little bit of a lag. That's alright. No comments. No one watching. Okay. 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 Alright, let's go. Let's go check out my portfolio. All right. Yeah. doing a pretty good job being consistent. Yesterday I improved on the amount of trades I took prior, which is really good. I don't know why I'm whispering, but yeah, like I want to stop these dates. I mean, these trades being so large. Like I do better when I take less trades, clearly. Oh, this is prior. Yeah, that's previous blown accounts. Yeah, so we're over here. Winning rate is increasing. Like to see that. Happy to see that. Happy. Now, let me go a 2 here, and I'm gonna go 15 here. It just gives me a better perspective. I have to take my trades on the 2, and yeah, I prefer to see my wow. It went up and it sold back down. It broke above the 50-minute range up here, but yeah, it's not so confident, is it? Let's see what the 5 is looking like. 5. I got some bearish flag, bullish flags. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it create some structure, do whatever it has to do. But I'm gonna come over here, unlock this. I'm gonna do something. Oh, okay. Don't worry about the screen. I'm working on it. So it's 180 and then horizontal, fit to screen, flip vertical, stretch. Oh, bang. We got it. Let's go. All right, now I'm not looking away from the screen, Look like I'm looking at the screen. Anyways, nice job. Nice work. Ooh, the 5. The 5 looks like a straight up chaos. Look at the 5. Look at this. This large wick candle above, it closed below. Tested. I mean, not tested, but yeah. we could be moving just sideways here. It's a possibility. I don't even know what to talk about. Like, I got 0 viewers. I'm just over here talking to myself. Okay. It's looking like it wants to close above. Let me create this layer. Okay, gotta think about where's my stop loss, where's my take profit. It's looking like it's getting rejected here at this previous pivot point we broke through. Yeah, so let's see. It's going back down, but it's a tricky area. It's like we got view up down here. We got 21 EMA, 11 EMA. So I'm not really trying to challenge it. Yeah, let's let it develop. Let's let it grow. Let's let it express itself. Yeah. Do 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 do. Yes. Look at that. We got a new hourly candle. It's getting busy. We seem bearish, but yeah. Let's see what it looks like on that. And I'm gonna go with this color. Just create a bearish flag. Do this again. Should probably wait for it to close. Got a bullish flag right there. Get a bearish flag down here. Just to creating some key structures. I'll probably delete this stuff, but see, it doesn't even look like bullish or bearish on this hour frame, so it's weird. It's different. Oh, I haven't even taken my first trade yet. Very good. Very good sign. Very good sign. Really good sign, actually. Just letting it develop. Letting it do what it does. If you look on the 15, it's like coming back to retest up here. We gotta see how this story closes. On the hourly, it's kind of interesting. So new hour, we're pushing up, we're pushing higher. So pushing higher, push, actually, that's a good idea. Let's do YouTube. Okay.
I think we're gonna go with you guys.
That's great.
All right, back to this area. That's a bit concerning here. Like, I would think about going in for a bullish move up here, but look at this lower high, lower high here. Lower low. Yeah, so I think it's heavier on the bearish side. My other reason would be because this this VWAP EMA 21, it's all kind of like jumbled up in there, you know? So kind of want Like, I would prefer if these indicators are down here and being retested. So unless we see a clear close below, I don't see why I would be getting in. Cause she'll fake out. It's just like, I'm trying to think, where would my stop loss be if I did enter a trade in the next minute, you know? Like, is my stop loss up here? That's 60 points. That's ridiculous. I can't afford to do that. Maybe we could take that one right here. Let me go right there. It's taking slightly too long, but I just want to be patient with it. No, too damn patient. No, that's not good. Very interesting. It went straight up to where I was at, and it took me out. Okay, first trade didn't go how I thought it would. I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take that because it's already hitting the previous, the opening day 15-minute range. So I touched it perfectly, and I took it because it was creating the support. It broke above the VWAP, the 21, and the support was there. It was a beautiful setup. So yeah, lost some, brought it back, $70 in profit. Okay. That was a really smooth trade. I think that was about what was it, 720. Let me do some math here. 20 divided by 20. So that was a 36 pointer. 36 pointer. Even though I did give up like a 32 pointer, whatever, before that. I kind of want to do a better job though. Interesting. Looks like it wants to break above. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer.
This message is brought to you by Apple Card. It's a great time to apply for an Apple
see
Card. You'll love earning
what
unlimited
else
daily
is
cash
there.
on every purchase. That includes 3% daily cash when you buy the latest iPhone.
Okay. This looks really strong. We have a few minutes before this 15-minute candle closes. So let's see what the hourly looks like. Okay, the hourly looks like it's pushing back up to VWAP. Previous VWAP, it looks like we retested the 21 EMA on the hourly, or actually on the hourly it's where was my parameters? Okay, so yeah, so it's 14. Yellow line is 14, 21. Okay, so it's the same. Maybe I need to fix that, but I'm not sure. So on the hourly, we retested the 21 EMA. Back to the 15. Oh, okay, the 15, we've broken through VWAP, and okay, we've broken through VWAP, and it's looking like we're gonna create some structure. Ideally on the new 15, I'm looking for something like this, where we come back, we retest, so something like that, or we retest deep down here, create some structure and push higher. That would be a good take. Only thing is, you just don't know how far it's gonna go down, and where's my stop loss gonna be. Down here. Yeah, it's zooming down to VWAP 15 and a 5. It made a higher high up here. We're in the 15-minute opening range right now. Inside of it, not particularly my favorite area. I would prefer if it was above or below it. Oh. Learning on the job. Okay, like if I took this trade, so 80 down here is what, 50? Yeah, that's pretty far down. Oh. I think we're gonna sell back down. Question is, what does it do at VWAP down there? I mean, the last 5 did close below. This is a new 5. So, yeah, we're just trading inside this range. And it's creating this higher high, higher low. We got 1, we got 2. Maybe we wait for another one. Created a higher high in this case. I don't know. I feel like if it really wants to push up, it needs to get lower, get more liquidity, and push higher. Okay. Oh yeah, y'all should follow me at JB.TradesNQ. JB.TradesNQ. Trying to grow my account. I got 3 followers. But yeah, I've been posting like pretty brand new. Very, very brand new. Yeah. It's okay though. We all gotta start somewhere. Okay, so we're looking at a bearish flag here.
Granger knows that if you're a school custodian,
Is it
cleanliness is your
trap
top
though?
priority. That's why you can rely on Granger for a range of cleaning products and equipment, from disinfectants to floor scrubbers. Granger, for the ones who get it done.
Could be a
At
trap to the
University,
upside
get the W.
if you take a bearish flag, you know.
I'm in the driver's seat.
Go faster. Go slower.
Bearish
What I
flag.
already know and what's happening in my world sets my pace.
Or maybe
Let's do
that's
this.
finding
Get the
support
W.
on On this VWAP, it's using as support, I think. And we got the previous support, this yellow line. White line is a pivot point, which is now a resistance. So keep things in perspective. So essentially there's like 4 indicators. Alright, let me try some hip hop. Let's do some trap music. Got that bass. 808. 808. 808. 808. 808. This would have been a good trade with a pretty good stop loss. I mean, to push up here, but where would my take profit be? Up here? It's not as clear as you would think it is. We're kind of moving sideways. We haven't broken out of this 15-minute range. We're just stuck in this rectangle box. In this darn box right here. That's all we're doing. Just trading in this line.
Think Verizon is expensive? Think again. Anyone can bring their AT&T or T-Mobile bill to a Verizon store today and we'll give you a better deal. So bring us your bill. Walk in, run in, pogo stick in, teleport if you can. Ride on the back of a rollerblading yak or fly in on the wings of a majestic falcon. Any way you can, bring your AT&T or T-Mobile bill to a Verizon store today, and we'll give you a better deal on the best network. Based on RootMetrics' best overall mobile network performance, US.
Man, this past 15-minute candle has been a mess. It doesn't even know what it wants to do. Yeah. Only thing is, like, where do you get in? should be a bearish. But, okay, I'm bearish. Where's my stop loss? Up here? No, it's too close. I would want to be bullish, but we're right here at this opening day range. Like, don't really want to take that risk. Let's look at all this rejection. You know, all this rejection right here. I don't really want to be bullish right there. I mean, yeah, we do have support. We've created quite the support down here. Like, we created all that support, but I don't know. That would have been a sweet trade. Yeah, I mean, it's not worth it though. Just too tight. Just wait for a new 30, a new 15. See where we go from there. We got a pivot point up here. I think we're about to test it by 9:30. Yeah, I never. Let me show you guys. Pivot point. We've broken through.
Texans enjoy more ways to save at Kroger.
We've broken through. It's almost 9:30. Let's see how it reacts after that. Yeah, I could have definitely done a better job, but it's just how I wasn't certain. Like I could have probably entered here. That was decent trade. I just didn't like the fact that if I entered at 90, my stop loss would have been at like 50. That's 40 points. 50 or 60, and it's just like, why would I do that to myself, you know? So that's why I didn't do it. And then we were also in a box for a long time. We're cooking. Oh, okay. All right. Wish I coulda, woulda, shoulda. You know. Coulda, woulda, shoulda, took in that trade. Coulda, woulda, shoulda, had that fame. Coulda, woulda, shoulda, left my town. Coulda, woulda, shoulda, chased my dreams. I'm on the grind. I'm on the grind. Staying up all night, 24/7, hustling, working. Gotta chase bread. Call me a falcon. Alright, I gotta stop, bro. I don't know how to rap. I don't know how to freestyle. I don't know what to say. I feel like maybe a retest back to the opening 15-minute range. That's essentially the only thing I can think of right now. On the 1 hour, we're hitting the pivot point up here. You would think that we would have some sort of pullback. On the 4 hour, we're going back to retest. I think this baby's gonna keep falling. Look at that. Maybe retest the 21 EMA, not the 21. In this case, I think it would be the 400, I want to say. Not 400, 200. Nope, still 21. Never mind. I swear I put 250. I don't know, sometimes this thing changes, but yeah, there's definitely a change of momentum coming to place. Yeah, we went up here to the 920s, possibly, depending on how it closes, maybe a pullback to the, I want to say the 80s, or maybe the 60s. Is all a possibility. How does this candle close? Close red. See, back in the day, I'd probably short this down here. And Yeah,
Working across teams
I'm
is
okay.
tough, but Asana helps you handle it.
I
That's because
don't
Asana
want
is where
to
humans and
short.
AI coordinate work together.
I do not want to short when it's up there. That's just gambling. There's no structure. The only thing I got going for me is the pivot point. Yeah, this pivot point, and that's not enough. You know what I mean? We need more than that. We need more than that. We need a retest. We need a retest. Retest, 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 retest. Retest left, retest right. You know. We want it to be proven. Low key, this was an area that I want to improve on next time. You know, it's just maybe my stop loss could have been here or here, but I should have entered. Because, and then I could have played it to here. That would have been like a 50 pointer. Yeah. But we learn, and we keep going. Gotta change habits, you know. Gotta do better. Yeah, because, I mean, like, I would usually have my stop loss above here and try to short it to down here. Yeah, I mean, it's working right now, but there have been times when I made a big old mistake. Let's just say that. Yeah. It was. Yeah, let's just let it go down and do what it does, retest, create some support, and then we go from there. Let's see what it looks like on the 5. You know, we're about to get a new 5. Let's see how it closes. Yeah. What I keep preaching to myself, what I keep writing down, journaling on my Instagram account, JB.TradesNQ, is the adjustments I want to make, and one of them is going with momentum. Not trading against momentum. Stick with momentum. And in this case, momentum is bullish. So that's what we do. We stay bullish. We stay bullish. Momentum is key. So I have to check. Momentum is bullish. We want to see a retest. Had a heck of a sell-off, though. That's 100 points down. But that's okay. That's part of the gig. Alright, 4-hour candle. We got some levels on the 15. I mean on the 5. Ugh. You think it's gonna respect just the 21 here? I'm just talking to myself. Or do you think we could see this pivot point being retested? Just some questions I have before I enter a trade, you know? Like, is it down here at the pivot point, or is it this 15-minute range? I'm not sure, so let's learn. Let me learn. Yeah, I don't think the 21 is the only thing holding it up. Looks like it wants to go a bit lower. Alright, on the 5 we retested the 9. AMA. On the 15, we're not even close. We haven't even
We
touched
heard
the
you.
up.
9 years of bring back the snack wrap and you've won. But maybe you should have asked
But
for more.
we have
Say
retested
hello
the
to the hot honey snack.
opening range.
Now you've really won. Go to McDonald's and get it while you can.
Now this is an interesting area, you know? We've clearly reversed from bullish to bearish. So in this case, I would take a bearish setup, but the overall momentum, this trend line is saying that we're still bullish. It's just that we wanted to close above here for any type of bullish moves. We needed to close above. That's basically it. We have a new 5 coming up. I don't know. I want to wait for a structured build. Yep, it's retesting. It's retesting that EMA. We got a new 5. Our new 5 is do we go bullish here? Where is the trap? Is the trap is it trying to trap us to the downside, to the upside? We had a new 15. New 15 is looking positive. But I would take this, but it's just like We got all that resistance up there. I would prefer to wait for the better structure. Yeah, it's selling. Okay. Yeah, because I would have entered this. Yeah, so the trap was to make it seem like it was staying true to this support. But no, I broke through. And, yeah. Now let's see what happens next. Maybe I could have taken this trade. I just wanted a green candle, kind of see. We closed below, but this is where I could push higher, retest, make it seem like we broke VWAP, so we're gonna go lower, which is not true. And it's like, where would my stop loss be, And I thought this was gonna be a support right here, but nope, we're breaking all the way down. We're going down the VWAP. Looks like it's momentum has changed. Hopped in a coupe. Whoop, whoop. Stoop. And you can all Alright. Looks like we're retesting. Broke above. So it went back down to view up. I retested it. It broke below it. And then recovered slightly back up. What are we doing? Okay. 820s. I mean, 720s. Found support at the 720s again. Found support at 720s. Let's see. What do we do here?
You were meant for this journey of change. So
You were meant for me to. We do not know. It is such an odd spot to be in, bro. La da da da, la da da da. Okay, on the 5, it looks strong. The fact that it found support here, VWAP, and at the previous support, pushing back up. So it's really good. I'm bullish. Let it do what it do. Okay, 40s. wrong? I'm gonna try it again. Oh, man. Interesting. Alright, I'm gonna get out. Man, it's just taking too long. So better to take some profit with me than not to. Yep, that's why I got out.
At Kroger Pharmacy, Care is making things convenient so
we
you
have
can
a new
shop and get
floor
alerts
coming
when your
up.
prescriptions are ready. Plus, our pharmacists help you find lower prices by accepting most prescription discount cards. Kroger.
Man. I mean, I think my entry was, this is a good trade, it's just my entry was a bit early. That's what I read. That's what I think happened. I don't know. I don't know what else I could have done differently there. Like, I don't know how I could have improved that. What could I have done to have known that it was gonna pull all the way down here? I had no clue. I did know it was gonna push higher, just didn't know why it took so long. I mean, yeah, didn't really build any structure here, so shouldn't have expected it to just go back up. Maybe if it retested down here, then we had a chance, but yeah, I've already taken 4 trades. I mean, the new 15, it closed above the 15-minute opening range. I think we might retest down the view up. Might go down here, retest. Yeah, man. Closed but no cigar. certain. This joint looks like it wants to sell. Oh, man. I'm in a wheelchair. If you weren't aware. Nobody's even watching, but whatever. It's not the case. Oh boy. Got a new 5. Oh, 10 seconds. Man. Question is, are we gonna pull back into here? Is the trap a bullish move, but it's really bearish? I don't know, man. I like that we retested. I think I'm gonna enter this one. I think I'm gonna take this one. Oh, I think I'm gonna take this one. 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 Oh, let's cook. Let's go, champ. Ooh. Honestly. mean, no, that's not pretty. I'm gonna hold it. Okay. I'm gonna hold it just a little bit longer. Just hit my TP for once. There we go. Hit it. Hit it. I'm gonna hit it for you. Get out of here, bro. This darn thing. Alright. Hurry up. 3:15. 5 trades in. Oh. Still got sometimes to go. Yeah, I could have probably held it longer, but man, based upon how things went, did not want to mess around too long. Alright. We're up. 5 trades in. Ideally, I want to do 3 trades, but it is 5. I think, I mean, fuck fairness. Fairness doesn't really apply here, but I thought this is a really good setup. The fact that we broke above, and on other metrics, it looked, on other time frames, it looked really good. And yeah, that's why I took it, but it ended up wanting to retest all the way down here, which made no sense. But that's part of the game. Anyways, so that was tough. I'm sure I took another trade somewhere. Okay, we got a new 5. Let's see what it does here. Ideally, I would like to just pass this eval and get into a PA account, but I felt like today was just, there were opportunities. There were opportunities like this one right here. It's just, I mean, even this one, but it's just like my stop loss. Imagine I entered here at the 770s, stop loss down here at the 730s. I mean, that's crazy talk. I'm contemplating about taking one more trade. It's selling off. It just retested the 14 EMA on the 5 Or is it the 9? I don't even know, man. Okay. It's the 11 on the 5. Brilliant. Yeah, good thing I didn't get greedy here. Took that nice profit, got out. Yeah, I played it to this previous candle, which is good.
This President's Day, upgrade the look of your home without
Plus, it
breaking
was
your
like
budget.
struggling
Save
to
up to
really
50%
push.
site-wide
It
on new
wasn't
window
automatic,
treatments
you
at
know.
Blinds.com. Blinds.com makes it easy.
It's been a heck of a day. And it's Friday. Matter of fact, we're above the 5. On the 5, it looks bullish once this candle closes. On the 2, we're in a bearish structure. I feel a deep responsibility not to. Seems dangerous. Well, you see where my mouse is? I shouldn't be there. It's a bullish structure. So I should be looking for bullish moves. I shouldn't be even thinking about bearish. The overall structure is bullish. Maybe this candle. This is bullish to me. Here, yes, it's bearish. We don't have any news, right? Yeah. this already. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. We're going up, 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 growing up, growing up, growing up, growing up. I'm gonna enter here. Let's see what happens. Ideally, we want to push higher. It's taking too long. Yeah, my entry should have been better. Yeah, I'm gonna get out. That's so lame. That's so stupid, bro. That's so stupid. So lame. Like, look at that bullish structure. And it decides not to push higher. I mean, it looked good. It looked good. That's why it's frustrating sometimes, you know. Even when it's a structure you want to see, it's what now? It's gonna go bullish all the way back up. It's lame. Alright, what did it say? Negative 30. Like, on what planet? Like, it looked like a support. This looked like a support. I didn't think it was gonna pull down all the way here. I guess it wants to grab more liquidity. $80. What is it doing at 80? Is it gonna go? Is it gonna push higher and then decide to reverse? My goodness. I don't even know what it wants here. I think somebody told it I got in the trade, so now it's like, oh, let's give him a hard time. There we go. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Hit my TP. Hit my TP. Hit my TP. Hit my TP. Come on, do it. Do it. I will flatten. Oh, son of a biscuit. Bastard. They did not want to hit my TP. Oh, this joint is just ridiculous, man. New 5. I'm not super confident, but I'll just have to see what happens. Yeah. Okay. Getting my ass whooped. And I'm over trading. Oh boy. Wow.
Mike Keppel here. Patriot Software's found.
Just absolutely wow. That motherfucker just kept going. Thankfully, I'm not. It's just 370, but 8 trades. Oh my God, Josh. I must do better. I must do better. I must do better. I mean, I took the right trade here. TP was as close as it could get. I should have just flattened it out when it was right there. I mean, the other reason is like it has the smallest wick known to man. That joint did not pull back for nothing. I mean, it looks like on the 5, we got support. So we could probably see another push higher. That's what I'm thinking. But this new 15, how far is it gonna pull back? That's the question, you know. Maybe it's not gonna pull back much at all. But it's possible. Do we retest here or do we retest down here? Come on, champ. Alright, I'm gonna just take that and wait for another trade. You know what you're doing. This motherfucker knows what it's doing, bro. It's fucking with me. This motherfucker knows what it's doing. It's fucking with me. Alright. No. Absolutely not. Look at that, bro. That was fucking biblical proportions like that. Just didn't want it to pull back and screw me over. No, you know what? I'm happy with that trade. I took profit. I'm actually in profit right now. So that's the way I'm gonna look at it. I'm not gonna look at it from of what could have been. I'm gonna look at it from what it is. Oh man, I need to call him. Let's wait for this 5 to close before we make any additional decisions. We got a big old V. Look at this big old V right here. Retest down here. Maybe another retest down here. Maybe. But certainly on the bullish side of things. What's the new 5 looking like? We got a new 5. Oh, I'm thinking another bullish move, but is it a trap? I don't know. I don't know if it's a trap or not. Lord help me. Like seriously though. Lord help me. It is kind of bugging though. It's like messing with me. Like what? Where's my stop loss gonna be? Down here? What? I don't know. Maybe I might take it off of the 5, but. Overanalyzing.
Can you save money and still get reliable phone service? With Tello Mobile, the answer is yes. In an era of overpriced everything, Tello Mobile comes with an excellent phone service that actually has the best prices. Super customizable phone plan options that start at just $5 a month and go up to only $25. And the best part, you're free to tailor your plan to fit your needs and budget.
Your price be going up.
I mean, the 5 is saying that
Your price be
we're
going up.
bullish, Alright, look at this. It's retested. What does the 15 say? The 15 is telling me we're bullish. Maybe that's what it wants me to know. Oh, that was a nice support. I thought it was gonna pull back a little bit more. It's okay. There's always more opportunities. Yeah, it's really nice. I like that setup right there. And wait.
Your price be going up.
Man, I need to stop thinking about trap this, trap that, and just let the fucking market do what it does. A new 5. Okay, win or lose. This is my last trade. Alright, win or lose. This is my last trade. Said it. And that's that. Oh. Come on, flip. There we go. You're a champ. You're a warrior. Get it. Hit that TP. Hit that TP. Hit that TP. Let's go. Let's go. Too many trades, but God. I just want to do better, man. Just want to do better. With these trades, there's too many trades. Besides that, we did really well. Almost up 3,000. I mean, I feel like I should just take another one and just pass this account because it's possible. I think it's possible. I think there's another setup to the upside. I'm not trying to be greedy. I'm just trying to pass this PA account. This eval account, my bad. It's been, how long has it been? It's been 5 days. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days, man. Like, how long do I need to spend? Eval.
On Etsy, you can find your favorite person a gift as special as they are, like a custom leather camera strap to celebrate your photography-obsessed friend. Shop Etsy for special birthday gifts that say, I get you. Click or tap the banner to shop now.
Chúng tôi đã nghe bạn suốt 9 năm, lại làm ơn đưa Snack Wrap trở lại. Bạn thắng rồi, nhưng lẽ ra bạn nên đòi nhiều hơn nữa. Hãy chào đón Hot Honey Snack Wrap. Giờ thì bạn thắng đậm rồi.
What in the bumbaclat? Oh no, it's not my favorite take. It's overbought. I'll be getting in really late. Maybe if I retested the 80s area down here, then I might get in, but besides that, first time adding.
Searching for the best flower delivery in Houston? We've got you covered. Stunning floral arrangements from Breen's Florists always say it best.
What are
Fresh
the
flowers,
chances?
hand-delivered with a smile. Order at breensflorist.com.
Hey, B, spin that bitch. Hey, B, spin that bitch.
Lord have mercy. Fuck it.
Hey, B, spin that bitch. I mean, what is it doing?
two coming up. I'm looking for a push higher.
Raise the runners! Raise the sails! Raise the sails!
Captain, an unidentified ship is approaching. Over.
Roger. Wait, is that an enterprise sales solution?
Reach sales professionals, not professional sailors. With LinkedIn ads, you can target the right people by industry, job title, and more. Start converting your B2B audience today. Spend $250 on your first campaign and get a free $250 credit for the next one. Get started today at linkedin.com/campaign. Terms and conditions apply.
New 5. Come on, push higher, push higher. Push higher, push higher. You will know you want to. You closed above it. There you go. Alright, I'm gonna just take it. Fuck it. I'm out. Whatever. There's always another entry. Alright, I'm back at 600 for the day. Just like, fuck sakes. It's just getting chaotic at this point, you know? Okay, I might get in again for another quick scalp up there. Ideally, I want you to pull back. Alright, man. Well, it's been dope trading with y'all. Hope you enjoyed it. It's your boy JB.TradesNQ. Yeah, thanks for sticking around. You know, appreciate y'all. Peace.